Are you thinking of starting a business for the first time and you don't know how to go about it? Or you have started a couple of businesses that didn't work out well for you? I have made everything very easy for you. My name is Alambi Charles. I'm a business person and a content creator. Welcome to Beckins, the money making channel, where we hold your hands and grow together. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please kindly subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will not miss out on more amazing videos like this. Starting a business for the first time can be both exciting and challenging. The feeling of whether it will succeed or it will fail is always there. Here are 5 simple and essential steps to guide you through this complex process. Step number 1: how to choose a business. The main thing about doing business begins with choosing the type of business you intend to do. Most people fail in business, or most people that have done business, and you notice that they are in the same, or they have been in the same position for a very long time. This is where they got everything wrong. Making the choice of business is very, very important, and in doing so, you have to consider some basic factors, like why do you want to do business? And I will tell you that the only reason why you should do business is because you intend to make profit, and not only making profit but maximizing profit. Profit is the only reason for you to do business. I hear some people say, when you want to choose a business to do, choose a business that you love. A business you love, good and fine, but I don't totally support that idea, because you can do something that you love and that thing is not profitable enough for you. So the sole and the only reason why you should venture into business is because you want to make profit and make it big, because that is what is going to give you the kind of life you desire. So profit is the only reason why you should venture into. Step number 2 is how to start that choosing business. I have advised so many people who want to venture into business, or who have been thinking about a business to do, and after thinking for a very long time, no good idea or reasonable idea has come into their head. What I have always advised them to do is to look around them and copy somebody or someone that is exceeding in business. Copywork pays a lot. In school, they will tell you copywork is not good, but in life, copywork pays a lot. So take this point very seriously. If you have brainstormed and been thinking of what to do, what kind of business to do, and no reasonable idea is coming up, the point is easy. Look around you and copy someone that is exceeding in business. And when copying the person, make sure you copy perfectly. So my second point is this on how to start a business. The business you have chosen, not all. The business you have chosen, how do you start that chosen business? And this is what I always recommend people to do out of experience. I always recommend people to start that business small. No matter how much capital you have, if you have never done a business before, I always advise you to start that business small. Starting a business small has nothing to do with how much capital you have or how much you have. Starting a business small, it's very, very important because it reduces your mistakes. When you start a business small, the mistakes that you will make during the course of that business will be small. But when you start a business big, the mistakes that you will make during the course of that business will be big. And if care is not taken, those mistakes will lead you to your end. So it's always advisable to start your business small, such that as a business grows, you will learn during the process. And as you learn during the process, you will know your weaknesses, you will know your strengths, you will know what to do better, and you will know what to do best. Such that when you are planning to expand your business, you will expand in areas where you know that exceed. And when you do that, your business takes no time and it grows very, very fast. So always start your business small. The next point I want to talk about is, after you have chosen, you have brainstormed and come up with a good business idea, you have decided on the size on how to start that business. The next thing you have to do is that, who is going to manage your business? Business management is very, very crucial for business success. So whenever you're thinking about starting a business, always think about this very, very important point. Who is going to run the business for me? And I recommend that when starting a business for the first time, do it yourself. Take this advice very seriously. When starting a business for the first time, do it yourself. Because when you start a business by doing it yourself, you gain the experiences. You learn along with the business as the business develops and grows. You gain experiences and so on and so forth. The advantages are enormous. But when you start a business by hiring someone or getting someone to run the business for you, that person is the one gaining all the experiences and all the knowledge concerning that business. And with no time, that person can easily leave your business and go and start another. And by so doing, your business will definitely suffer. Because if someone has been running your business for you, it simply means that that person is the one that knows how to manage your business, knows what the in and out of your business. And you, that is at the background or behind the scene, thinking that you're the owner, you know nothing. And if they leave the business for you to manage, everything begins to run down. So the best thing for you to do in managing your business is to do it yourself. And when the need arises for you to expand, then you can get along to employ people and use other technological tools to get your business going perfectly. Next point you need to know is understand your business. No matter the business you have chosen to do, it is very, very important for you to take out some time and do more research on what you want to do. You have to grab a deeper understanding of what you have chosen to do. Having a deeper knowledge about the chosen business you want to do is very crucial. There are many means through which you can get more knowledge on what you want to do. But what is important for me is to let you know that a deeper knowledge about the business you have chosen is very, very important for your business success. Why do I say so? For example, if you choose to do a business, it is important for you to get a knowledge about that business. For knowledge like, am I the first person to venture in this kind of business? What are the challenges I might possibly face in the course of this business? If you're the first person doing a business, good and fine. You ask yourself questions like, what will I do to gain more customers for my business? So it is very important. What possible challenges am I going to face during the course of my business? So that knowledge is very important. And if it happens that you are not the first person to do such a business around you, the question now will be, what are those other people doing wrong that I have to correct and do better? So all these questions you need to ask yourself and you need to answer. And to know more about all of these is for you to get a deeper knowledge about the business you intend to do. The next and the final point I want to talk about is choosing the location for your business. Location is key to business success. But then I also tell you that in this computer generation, location is becoming more and more less of an interest, but it's still a key factor for business success. Because with the growing technology, you can situate your business anywhere and sell everywhere. You can situate your business where I'm located and sell anywhere and everywhere all over the world using technology. So technology nowadays is making location a less and less of an interest in situating a business. But then I will tell you that some businesses need good locations. So when choosing your business, always have in mind that this location of your business will naturally pull customers into your business or into your shop. So a good location will save you a lot of money for adverts and other means to attract customers to your shop. So please, when choosing a location, always take that into consideration such that you will always get the location right. And there are some key things that you have to look into or look at while choosing a location. For example, based on your business, the location can be where there's a lot of crowds. Some businesses do well where there's so much crowd. So it's always good to situate your business where there is so much crowd. When I talk of crowdiness, I mean where there's a high possibility of pedestrians movement. And from my experience, businesses that do well are businesses that are situated where there's a high percentage of pedestrian movement, where people pass a lot. Locations like that always triumph because as they walk and pass by, they see what you have, and when the need arises for them to get that thing, they will quickly remember you. So always have it in mind when you choose the location for your business. If what you have watched so far has been helpful, please give me a thumb up, share to others, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For any questions and for further inquiries, please feel free to leave your questions on my comment section, and I'll be glad to reply you as soon as I see them. Thank you very much. Keep watching Beckins, the money making channel.